for that?
Normal skin, you want a cleanser that's going to clean off the dirt and the toxins. And this is true for normal and combo. You want something that is going to be a little stripping, but not a lot stripping.
Okay.
So something that might have salicylic acid in it, or it might have glycolic, but not overly, because you don't want to overstrip.
Yeah.
That's kind of like the characteristics of normal skin are that you just need to keep it balanced, and you just need to make sure that you keep it hydration is is key. And what happens a lot of times, people go, oh, my skin's so oily, I don't need a moisturizer. As we're going through this discussion, I don't need the moisturizer, don't give that to me. And it feels so oily because you used a cleanser that stripped everything off. And now it really needs moisture more than ever.
So it's producing more and more oil. So
but
it's counterproductive.
Right. A normal skin is, we just need good basics, and always putting vitamins and nutrients back into your skin, especially with our current nutrition that we have. And we're not great on all of our vegetables all the time. So you want to feed the skin from the outside as well as the inside. Normal skin, a normal combo, you just want to watch out for dehydration and make sure that you're always keeping it hydrated enough.